How to add gift cards to Apple Pay 2025 method. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Adding a gift card to Apple Pay in 2025 isn't just about convenience. It can actually help you manage your spending, track your balances, and even earn rewards in some cases. You won't believe how easy it has become to consolidate your gift cards digitally and never worry about losing them or misplacing the physical card again. In this guide, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of adding gift cards to Apple Pay, common issues you may face, and tips for maximizing the benefits of digital gift cards. Let's start with the basics. Apple Pay is Apple's secure mobile payment and digital wallet service, allowing you to pay in stores, apps, and online with your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. While most people use it to store credit or debit cards, Apple Pay also supports adding certain gift cards, depending on the retailer. This is a game changer because it keeps all your payment methods in one place, accessible with just a tap or a glance at your device. The surprising truth is that many users don't realize that Apple Pay can store gift cards in addition to traditional payment cards. Here's the step-by-step process to add a gift card to Apple Pay in 2025. Step 1. Check compatibility. Not all gift cards are compatible with Apple Pay, so the first thing you need to do is verify whether your card supports digital wallet integration. Popular retailers like Starbucks, Target, Walmart, and Amazon often have cards that can be added directly. Most people get this wrong. They assume any gift card will work, but the key is that the card must have a digital or app-based integration. Step 2. Open the Wallet app. On your iPhone or iPad, launch the Wallet app. This is the hub for all your payment methods, passes, tickets, and gift cards. Once inside, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin adding a new card. If you're using an Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay, and select Add Card. Step 3. Select Add Other Card. In 2025, Apple has streamlined the process so that after tapping the plus, you'll have options like Debit or Credit Card, Apple Card, and Other Card. Select Other Card, then add a gift card. This will allow you to manually enter the card details or scan the card barcode or QR code. Step 4. Scan or enter card details. You can scan your physical gift card using your device's camera, or manually type in the card number and any security codes provided. Scanning is often faster and reduces errors, but manual entry is useful if the card doesn't have a scannable barcode. Apple Pay ensures your information is encrypted and secured during this process. Step 5. Verify your card. Some gift cards may require additional verification, such as entering a PIN or linking the card through the retailer's app. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification. Most retailers now support instant verification, so you'll see your balance updated immediately. This step ensures that your gift card is linked properly and ready to use with Apple Pay. Step 6. Save and organize. Once your gift card is successfully added, you can give it a custom name for easy recognition in your wallet. For example, if you have multiple Starbucks cards, you might name them Starbucks Main Card and Starbucks Bonus Card. This helps you quickly identify which card to use at checkout. Step 7. Use your gift card. To use a gift card in Apple Pay, simply open your wallet, select the card, and hold your device near the payment terminal. For online or in-app purchases, choose Apple Pay at checkout, then select the gift card as your payment method. The terminal will automatically deduct the appropriate balance from your card. The convenience here is enormous. You no longer need to carry physical cards or worry about forgetting them at home. Now that we've covered the basic steps, let's talk about common issues and how to avoid them. First, not all retailers allow partial payments from gift cards in Apple Pay. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you may need to use a second payment method to cover the difference. Apple Pay makes this easy by prompting you to select a backup card. Most people get this wrong. They try to split the transaction without pre-configuring a backup, which can lead to declined payments. Second, some gift cards require activation through the retailer's app before they can be added to Apple Pay. For example, a newly purchased Target gift card may need to be registered online or activated in the Target app. Once activated, it can then be added to Apple Pay seamlessly. This extra step prevents fraudulent use and ensures your balance is accurately reported. Third, keeping track of your gift card balances is crucial. Apple Pay usually shows the remaining balance on supported cards, but some may require you to open the retailer's app to view updates. In 2025, many apps now sync automatically with Apple Wallet, giving real-time balance updates. This helps you plan purchases and avoid declined transactions due to insufficient funds. Let's cover some pro tips for maximizing your Apple Pay gift card experience. Tip 1. Consolidate multiple cards. If you have multiple gift cards from the same retailer, consider adding all of them to Apple Pay. You can then manage them easily and even prioritize which card to use first. This prevents losing cards and helps you use your balances efficiently. Tip 2. Track expiration dates. Some gift cards have expiration dates or inactivity fees. Apple Pay may not always alert you to these, so it's wise to keep a separate record or set calendar reminders to use your cards before they expire. Tip 3. Combine rewards programs. Many retailers offer rewards points when using gift cards through their app or Apple Pay. For example, using a Starbucks gift card through Apple Pay can still earn you loyalty points in the Starbucks Rewards program. This is a simple way to maximize value from your existing gift cards. Tip 4. Use for online purchases. One of the most overlooked advantages is using Apple Pay gift cards for online and in-app purchases. This is particularly handy for digital services, subscriptions, or online shopping where you don't want to link a credit card. Most people get this wrong. They only think about in-store use, missing out on convenience and security for online spending. Tip 5. Keep backup payment methods. Even if your gift card is fully loaded, having a backup credit or debit card in Apple Pay ensures seamless transactions, especially for larger purchases. Apple Pay automatically prompts you to select an alternative card if the gift card balance is insufficient, making checkout smooth and stress-free. Finally, let's discuss the benefits of digital gift cards in Apple Pay in 2025. They provide enhanced security since your physical card isn't required and the information is encrypted. They reduce clutter in your wallet and prevent lost or stolen cards from being a problem. Plus, Apple Pay supports multiple devices, so you can use your gift cards from your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac, providing unmatched convenience. The surprising truth is that digital gift cards through Apple Pay can sometimes even speed up checkout times because contactless payments are faster than swiping or inserting physical cards. In conclusion, adding gift cards to Apple Pay in 2025 is a simple, secure, and efficient way to manage your cards digitally. By following the step-by-step process, checking compatibility, scanning or entering card details, verifying the card, and organizing your wallet, you can keep all your gift cards at your fingertips, track balances easily, and even earn rewards. Most people get this wrong by leaving cards in drawers or mismanaging balances, but with Apple Pay, you're in control, your spending is streamlined, and your checkout experience is faster than ever. Whether it's for personal convenience, maximizing rewards, or avoiding the hassle of carrying multiple physical cards, Apple Pay's gift card integration is an essential tool for anyone looking to simplify their finances in 2025. Start adding your gift cards today and experience the full benefits of a digital wallet that's secure, versatile, and incredibly easy to use.